Shivsha students, and welcome to your class. How are you all? Hope you all are happy and healthy. So let's start today our computer subject. So today in computer subject we will continue our chapter number 4, that is the working with notepad. So part 2 of this lesson. Today we are going to learn how to type text in notepad program. So first of all, few steps are given, we will follow that, and with this help of this we will come to know how to do work in the notepad program. So first one, typing text in notepad. How to type text in notepad? So first point, for typing alphabet in small case, press the alphabet keys of the keyboard. So when you want to write anything, for example your name, so to write your name you need alphabet from A to Z, you can say. So small case, if you want to write in small letter, just press the alphabet keys of the keyboard. Okay, here it is given, that is from A to Z you can give. So any letter you can choose. And then number 2, for typing alphabet in uppercase, okay, that is in the capital letter, press alphabet keys along with shift key. Okay, shift key and alphabet key, any you key you want to type, for example capital A, then shift key and A you have to press, then only you will able to write in capital letter. Or make the caps lock key on. One key is given in the keyboard, caps lock, here it is this way it is given in the keyboard, and when it is on you can write everything in capital letter, but if it is off it will come in the small letter. Now here you want to write in the uppercase, that is in the capital letter, just click on this, just press this button caps lock, and you will able to write in capital letter, that is the upper case. Point 3, press the space bar for entering blank space, when you want to give a space between the two words, okay, or after the one number you have given and you want to write something by keeping few space, so just press this key, space key it is given, that is known as the space bar. When you press this key, space bar key, you will able to keep a space between two word or number and the letter. And number 4, to type numbers, press the number keys. Okay, this way also given, and one side box is also given where only numbers are given, you can press from there also. But one thing keep in mind, your number lock should be on, then only you can press the number, otherwise number will not highlight. And second thing, when this sign few symbol is also given, okay, and numbers are also given 1 to 0. So when this is also there, be alert that what you want to type, number or this symbols. So that also you should keep in mind. And number 5, to type special character written on number keys, press the number key along with the shift key. Okay, when you want to type this type of any sign, that is the symbol, if you want to give anything while writing any paragraph or something, you are writing an essay also, okay, work is given to you, so what you have to do, you want to type this number, just press the any number key, see here it is given, okay, but thing is shift key you should use. When you use shift key, then only this sign will you can see on the screen where you want to use. So these are the few points you have to keep in your mind. And regarding this, next also given on the next page. Now on the next page we will go on the point number 6, to type the text in next line. Okay, one line already you type, and now you want to type on the next line, just press the enter key. So one enter key button is also given in the keyboard. When you press this key button, okay, enter key button, you will able to write in the next line. Then number 7, to move the cursor to desired place, make use of arrow keys or click the mouse there. Either you can use mouse also where you want to start writing, or you can use this arrow keys, that is upward arrow, downward arrow, left side and the right side. So you can use this key and you can move the cursor where you want to do any changes or you want to write anything. Okay, and you can keep a space also by using arrow keys also. And next one is number 8, to delete a character. See, here it is, to delete a character make use of backspace or delete key. So here it is given delete key. To delete any character, you can delete with the help of this key, delete key. So today we are going to learn only this much, that how can you type text, number or any symbol in the notepad, and what to use, and how you can use arrow keys, and what is the use of arrow keys, enter key, delete key, and the space bar key. So using this you can start writing in the notepad program, but this thing you should keep in your mind. Thank you students, have a nice day.